Christmas is all about.
Oh, bitch, gonna be thinking fast. Okay, let me stop. What's up, y'all? Welcome to the long-awaited apartment tour. Today is moving day. Well, actually, tomorrow is really my moving day, but I am moving some stuff today. But my big stuff's gonna deliver tomorrow. But anyways, I wanted to give this apartment tour. Sorry I look busted, but like I said, I'm moving stuff today, so it is what it is. Yeah, so we're gonna be moving some stuff today, and I'm gonna share my apartment. Super excited, like I said. Yeah, it's gonna be an empty apartment tour, and then once I get everything in here and the way I want it to be, I'll do a furnished tour. But let's get into this video. So excited. So this is the kitchen. This stove is electric, and I do not know how to use electric stove. We're gonna figure that out. Love the flooring. Has a dishwasher, and I also love this little like random cabinet over here. This is gonna be good to put my like air fryer on. And I still have all this other counter space, so I really love that. So that's what it looks like. Love her. Microwave, you see her. So when you come out the kitchen, it goes into my dining room. It's really small, but it's like perfect for my table and some decorations once I figure that out, what I'm gonna do in here. The window, and I love the ceiling fan. So yeah, that's what it looks like right off the kitchen. If we turn around, we're in the living room. The living room does not have lighting. I brought a box in already, y'all. But the living room doesn't have lighting, but it's pretty spacious. I'm gonna have to get a lamp for in here, but it's cool. I do have a balcony, but I don't want nobody to know where I live, so I'm not gonna show a view, but it's right off the living room. So we're in the living room, go down this hallway, and let me just show y'all this first. It's just a little linen closet. So that's that. And then the bathroom. If I can find the light. I like that this is the bathroom. It's like super spacious. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it is. My bathroom at my old house was super small, so I'm kind of excited about that. And y'all, I love this sink. I'm literally obsessed with this sink. It's so like aesthetically pleasing. Here's me looking up crazy. Toilet. Let me see. Let me pop a squat and see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is good. Oh, this is good. Okay. A nice big tub. Like a bitch can fit in here. Let me try. Hold on. A bitch gonna be thinking fast. Okay, let me stop. Yeah, so that's the bathroom. Okay, so leave the bathroom. I turn this way, and we have the spare room. It's literally a fucking square. But another of the cute little ceiling fans. I love these ceiling fans. So pretty. And they do have a closet in here. Here's the closet. Nothing special. I'm probably more than likely gonna make this room into an office slash YouTube room. So yeah, that's what this room looks like. Then, dun, 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 this is my room. And this video is not gonna do it justice, but it's huge. Huge. That's 2 closets, y'all. 2 closets. Let me. And look how huge. Two huge closets. They're both the same size, okay, but I'm just amazed how big they are. It did fly right there. No bad. Alright, so this is my apartment. So just kidding. So I don't know where I'm at. I know my TV's on this wall, bed's on that wall, but I need to find somewhere for my vanity. Cause I was gonna put between the closets, but it's not. It's too big. So can't do that. We're gonna see though. I'll probably have to put on that wall. But yeah, I'm excited, y'all. So big. That's the place. Now I gotta start bringing some more stuff up.